minute, every hour, and every week, the PF thugs, they are ever in the constituencies in the disguise of saying mobilization without a permit. And the police can't do anything. But if it is the opposition, you find that Namatwinabe Miyabaka Pokola to come to us. Zambia? Zambia? So this time around, I think we'll do things the way we feel is right, because we are bona fide citizens of this country. Thank you very much.
Allow me also to invite the NDC Taka District Chairperson.
My name is Vincent Masano. I welcome you, all of you, to this which this is our country, Zambia. We don't have any other country apart from Zambia. It's our right to fight for this difference. But if we Zambians just keep quiet, which means we give power to the thugs. And who are the thugs? They are PF. PF, they are able to do things anyhow, anytime they feel to do it. But what about us opposition? What have we done wrong? Are we not Zambians? We are Zambians. So even us oppositions, we say enough is enough. What we have to do is let's come in numbers tomorrow. We should not fear. Let's come in numbers without fear and protest. Since we gave them the letter, we took it there to the police force. They signed. Why did they sign? They signed, which means they said, go ahead. Our aim is just to notify them. If we notify them, why should they say, no, we don't give you permit? What about those who are protesting? Those who took the letter to the president, they were being given permit. What about us? Huh? Do we have two types of people in Zambia? No. We have only one. And I urge you youths, tomorrow, in all provinces, districts, and constituencies, to team up and go to the various destinations and protest. Because if we want to protest, which means we should not have fear. Enough is enough. And we have heard so many things. No one is special. We are all special. We have only one Zambia, one nation. Unless if they say one Zambia, two nations, then we accept. But failure to that, we won't accept. We have to protest, not to fight. If they want, they should just come and join us. And those people are planning to come and disturb our protest, we'll fight them. We'll fight them. We won't just let them go. So let's work as a team. May I thank you, all of you, as I give the rest my speech. Thank you.
Viva Youth, viva! Viva Youth, viva! Viva! At this point in time, allow me now to introduce my airborne for Lusaka province to also say something in this matter. Chairman Anderson.
viva! Viva! Viva Youth, viva! Viva! Viva UPND, viva! Viva! Viva NDC, viva! Viva! Viva Zambia, viva! Viva! Zigomba kwambi. Mazina yanga ndine Anderson Banda, Provincial Youth Chairman for UPND. In my preamble, I want to recognize the National Youth Chairperson for NDC. I also want to recognize the National Youth Chairperson for UPND, Comrade General Mosquito. Zambia. Forward. Zambia. Forward. I also want to recognize myself as a Provincial Youth Chairman for UPND. I also want to recognize the Provincial Youth Chairperson for NDC, the District Youth Chairperson for UPND, Comrade Africius Mwanakaya, and the Tuareg, the District NDC Chairperson, NDC, and the Tuareg. Zambia. Forward. I also want to recognize all the media houses represented here and everyone who has come to support our very important press briefing. Zambia. Forward. We stand here today very angry because things are not okay in our country. And it's our duty, especially as young people, young citizens, to preserve and protect our democracy that our parents fought for in 1991, that Zambia became a democratic country, meaning that the existence of many political parties was allowed there, and they must continue to exercise their democratic rights to participate in the dispensation of the electoral process of this country. Zambia. Forward. We are here today to announce to the nation that as UPND and NDC, as law-abiding political parties, we followed the red procedure. We notified the police that we are supposed to have a peaceful demonstration tomorrow on 8th October. We followed the procedure, and also we notified the police command that on 11th of October we applied for a rally because that is within our constitutional rights. To the contrary, the police have said no to all these requests. Zambia. Forward. But embarrassing enough, we have seen PF having rallies, conducting protests. But now, the question to the Zambian people and to the world is Zambia police near PF or near Zambia? Because 2-3 days ago, the PF was in a rally. Couple of days ago, the PF was in a demonstration for State House, a public institution. And today they are giving us reasons of security concerns. They are giving us reasons of COVID-19. They are giving us reasons of, no, the matters that we put on this notice are in court. The question is simple. Okay, online registration is in court. But why is the ECZ allowing people to register online? That is double standard of the highest level. Zambia. Forward. Zambia. Forward. Before I proceed, I'm just reminded of one thing, very embarrassing statement that came from Esther Makato. As UPND and NDC, we are victims of intolerance through the police. But Esther Matakatongo lied to the country that no, it's UPND who damaged the office there for UPND. Now she even claimed that they have arrested UPND card. That is not true. The people who vandalized that office are PF flags when they were coming for a rally, which they have denied us. Zambia. Forward. Now, our stance is we learned a bitter lesson in 2016 general election. Our country almost plunged into war. Our country almost plunged into chaos. and the country is still deeply divided because of the mismanagement of the electoral process in 2016 general elections. And time has come again for us to go for another general election in 2021. We don't want what we saw in 2016 to repeat itself under the leadership of Esa Uchuru and Shindano and Emery Squad. As concerned youths, we don't want that situation to repeat itself, because Esa Uchuru, Shindano and others at ECZ, they've proved beyond doubt that they are a danger to our peace. They are a danger to our democracy. And we're not going to allow it. Simple. It makes sense to all well-meaning Zambians. These demands, even in my PF Waziva, Esa Uchuru has no integrity. Esa Uchuru has failed integrity test. Considering the way they handled the 2016 general elections, our demands are simple in clear terms. We don't want Esa Uchuru to be the chairperson for ECZ. We don't want Shindano to be at ECZ. We don't want Emir Skadwe to be there. Zambia. Zambia. The demand also is clear. Magota's card yakudala menawana lembesa. Let them be carried forward, because ECZ has no capacity to register 9 to 10 million voters in the period of 30 days. They have no capacity. So whatever they are claiming is a mockery to our democracy, and we are not going to accept it. Suffice to say that we want now to announce to the nation that our PF, through the police, if it's your deliberate ploy or scheme to arrest innocent citizens tomorrow because of exercising the democratic right to protest, you are going to do it tomorrow. If it's your ploy to shed blood, if it's your plan to kill innocent citizens tomorrow, do it.
But not today.
But the posterity, future will judge you harshly. Because as we stand here, we are standing on a firm ground that tomorrow the protest that we applied, we notified you, is going ahead. Now that you have refused us permit, we know we haven't broken any law. We are within the law to go ahead with our demonstration. And I urge, as a provincial youth chairperson, Anderson Banda, I'm urging all the 6 districts, Kafue, Shiranga, Lusaka, Chongwe, Lufunza, and Luangwa districts. Can you participate tomorrow in the demonstration against Esa Uchuru Shindano and ECZ, because they are mismanaging our electoral process and our democracy? And we tell the police right now that we are not scared of even dying. Many people have died at the hands of PF leadership failure. Our lives are not special. We have colleagues who've been killed in cold blood in fighting for a better life. They've left children. They've left wives. Who are we? We are going to proceed in the route of safeguarding our democracy in the interest of majority Zambians. If it means to be called metaras, tomorrow it will be a day. Zambia. Forward. Zambia. Forward. We urge all the well-meaning Zambians, NGOs, the church mother bodies, the traditional leaders, please, never should you bury your head in the sand when you know things are not okay in our country. It's the duty of every concerned citizen, using different platforms, to protect our democracy, to protect our country, to say no when it's supposed to be no, to say yes when it's supposed to be yes. The credibility and the trust that is supposed to possess, it has evaporated. Zambian people, they don't trust ECZ. We don't trust ECZ. And we cannot pretend anymore. The best thing to restore the lost integrity, the lost credibility by ECZ is Esa Uchuru, Shindano, Emery Skadwe to leave that institution. That's when the credibility, and that's when the people of Zambia will respect the outcome of 2021 general elections. Failure to do that, problems will continue. And we urge you, Esther Uchuru, that you've done your part. You've lived your life. Think of your children. Think of your grandchildren. Think of your family. Because Mlandu Suwola. Even in 2016, you committed crimes which are on record. All those who follow you. Zambia. Forward. Zambia. Forward. Thank you very much.
Viva Youth Viva! Viva Youth Viva! Abash Esther Uchuru! Abash Esther Uchuru! At this particular juncture, allow me also to invite our comrade from the NDC, Bwana Nachama.
Chairman here is done a lot of talking. So myself, I'll just go straight to the point. My fellow, tomorrow is a big day for you and us as your chairman here. Tomorrow, I think, in fact, we'll start today night. We'll start night protesting until tomorrow evening. Tomorrow, we'll show the police that we, the youth of Zambia, this is what we can do. And we've got muscles to do that. Another thing that I want to talk about is this, what do you call it? The name of this police commissioner, what's his name? Nelson Piri. How does Nelson Piri, the whole lot of himself, go to the radio station and say, no, I don't know what these guys are planning, I have no idea. Mr. Piri, you should think. I think your brains are slowly getting damaged. You've been intimidated the police for a long time. Your fellow police officers, they're even scared of working properly because of you, Mr. Piri and Kanganji. Now I want to urge all these young police officers that have been recruited, whatever it is. Tomorrow, show Kanganja that you are foolish, Mr. Kanganja. You are not doing your good job. We are not scared of you. When a big man is doing foolish things, you also have to respond in a foolish manner. So we are not scared of them. So tomorrow, all the consequences, you know what we've planned. Do the job tomorrow. I'll be in forefront. I'm not scared of the police. If they feel like coming to arrest me, even now they can come. I've been arrested before on political grounds. So why should I be scared? Because now they even want the prisoners to vote. So I'll vote from the prison. There is too much foolishness in this country. And if we let this government continue this foolishness, I swear to my God, a lot of people will suffer. A lot of people will suffer for sure. So let us protect this country. Tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, let's leave our parents home. If Ifetina Mpamvu ni Vala Jombo, Tilipa Street tomorrow. We make sure we protect this country. We don't have time to waste. We do not have time to waste over this. So tomorrow, guys, in Red they die. Tilipa Street, and I've received some information that the PF wants to come and attack us tomorrow. That's a very good job. I want to tell Kalenze, go to Chisokon, and that's what we did to your foolish friends there. We also do it to you. We are not scared. You've been beating up people, you go and destroy their things. For what? And tomorrow, my PF card, those ones that we know that in one day will follow you Manyumba. Problems, even to our president. You are busy taking them to my courts. Courts for what? You want Sike to be working at the court there. Let him, you appoint him as a judge if you want. Because you feel good seeing him at the courts there. But tomorrow I want to tell you that this nonsense that we've been doing in the past should come to an end. We are not scared. Even Mr. Kapeso should know. Tomorrow we are coming. You are good at breaking people's bones. Tomorrow we'll break your bones as well. Okay, thank you. Zambia! Tomorrow! Bara Jombo, guys. All right.
Kuseni sendi para Zombo youth. Zambia! 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 At this particular moment, allow me now to introduce also the National Youth Chairperson for NDC, Comrade Kawata. Kawita. To come and also...
One chair!
Les Safiers, Zambia, Zambia. Umuchinshi kubafyashi besu abeshire mukutwafwa kumisepela shinandi. My fellow National Youth Chairman Gilbert Liswaniso, not forgetting the press. May I just simply say all protocols observed. Chinwe chalo nga chakwe bati twakonkanya okwikala ofo tuleikala nembwa shika tuseka.
Correct.
Bantu mwamoneni ichalo mwaikala abantu bamwena kunkoko. Elo nga wayapanganda ya muntu akwata umutima osuma tumwena kufitekwa. Ba Edgar Lungu balifira okuteeka ku ekyalo kino. Nationalandira fino. Ama ministers, ama PSs, ama DCs, n'abashala enkoko sh'abalungu. Ikibe mbandela. Bakapokola nabo n'enkoko sh'abalungu. Usha ishibe chibe mama elo akantwale for defamation, but n'enkoko sh'abalungu. Echo n'alandira efi. Batile chalo echisumana ngupanga ndapa sumape kalo mufyashi bamwena kunkoko. Nkoko sh'abalungu tashaba gwino. Wishba nokutila na balungu bene tababa gwino. Why do I say so? We've engaged the Lusaka Police Command since last week. We've been there having meetings and nothing tangible has come out of those meetings. And I'm extremely disappointed with our elder brother, our father, our dear friend, Mr. Kafeso. Because when we went to his office, the impression he gave us was that he was going to grant the permit for the protest and the rally. Elo bamuno kweba twashala 2 minutes to go. Elo baibo kweba rally keti mukwate. Mwenzo. Yalo fimbinga bakobo kutila what they do is they resign. But by Esa Ochulu, you've overstayed. And there is nothing that you can write about Esa Ochulu about incompetency. Your incompetence has worried us in the UK. Large numbers, in fact, after conducting our session only 19,000. You'll be in the NDC membership to water. Watch the space. Come with the gun. Wheeler. Mwamune nyimo ba youth abengi wale ngokwe bati muikwata abakashinama kito muno mukyalo ni Esa Ochulu. Bantu Esa Ochulu ngali siminisho fya bena Zambia bale fwa ya bene baya gota bwino nga tukwete ntungulushi ya kutila ilelo nga naipangira ba youth ya machitono kupanga na Mungu. Nomboto wa Esa Ochulu fwa ya imwe misepela ine tukonkanye kubachula ukukana kama shiro ukula kwa ama divorce lelo bamaleke nyimye mwebe minine kumoko mshitengi ama divorce yakulile kuli ifofo emisepela panta tukwete fya kupela abana benu nomba shuwa lesa ega tumine mwano
Yesu Kristo pano pachalo echo abilo kuchitalo talabombe milimo yonse apa agire chupo nga if why have we been neglected, why have we been so disadvantaged that we cannot call a woman my wife, my own in Zambia? Because amulisha nchito mzambia nchito tukwete tashapi ifi keine ndelanda ede mwa tasila ya bifensi mudi forest no 70 gazete na ngabu ya yebika lelonga munyololo kompamikasi abacha story tasila nkasha ndeko bamulandu wachita kama muno nchalunganisha kasangwe mu government uyu mulandu tukesa yini. Yes. Amnina neshkwete fingifya kulanda provincial youth chairman ndeso abatu achibika kuntachi they've stolen our show na balanda fyonse abatu achibika kulanda. But I want to re-emphasize that we say no to online voter registration. We say no to Esa Ochulu. We say no to Patrick Nshindano. We say no kuri ba mayaba fore na bafuma ku Malawi. Tatule mifwaya mayo. Mule ipatikisha fyo kubaku. Ala mkaleta confusion. Chimbi na chocho tule chita demand chakwa vati. Register in tuwa confession 2016. Ushema mwalimona kwa uvipali ya register. Voter register. Awe! Ushama voters card tuwa kwa tapali wapo uvi. Awe! Keni milangena na mbati chilituwa.
Swali sunga.
Ukuya leta na imbi voters card. Nibuka bwala lafi. Ushema nenu mkwete wako bati. Mlefo okuli yamo pakutila baka pangi ama voters card yambi. Hii voters card tayao naika. Nomba ya nshimbi mlefo okuleta. Ifwe ine voters card yo tulego. Mchaka mufeti chalonga chaba shinwe. Bashifwe nga tabaru ileko buntungwa. Then online voter registration. You go ahead with it. Abash! Zambia! Lesa fye! Amitote asana yo ba youth bandi bonse ku UPND na ku NDC. Nga tuwapwisha meeting ino kwamba kuipeka nyofu mailo tukenda. Kanganja na wakupeka nyama soja yo. Thank you very much.
That was the NDC National Youth Chairperson. At this particular moment, allow me now to invite our National Youth Chairperson in charge of politics, Comrade Gilbert Shwaniso.
Zambia, lesa ziko mkwambili mazina panga ne Gilbert Shwaniso General Mosquito ulemo kuli wa National Youth Chairman NDC ba Charles Kawita ulemo kuli wa Provincial Chairman Anderson Banda wa chairman wa NDC wa district IUPND na wa NDC chairman Mailo kumaningi kuli sa yote mapindi na NDC bonse bamene banga na kuti ziko ya onongeka. We have done our part. We followed the procedure. Aina na polisi wakapicha PR kuise nasi tuwalera PR. Because Kapeso thought they can play a ground because we know Kapeso is very good. So let's as General Mosquitoes now, there's no, we'll follow whatever you want to tell us. But we knew the outcome that they'll say no. The reason one was the national election was only the big government. And I want to tell Kriba for sure there is no government. Government yaba Edgar Chagwalungu nyama janki. Most of the janki, most of them are just that's why you investors can put money in this country. I'm very serious kulopa nyumba sana kwa sera jangi. Because ayo pemela che positive. Isumwa amen. Zambia ndiye government yaba Edgar Chagwa Lungu, most of them that just casino njenchito yao. That's why mkayangama nini nzelo zao ni pono ministers. Mbangana because they don't think in their head. When we want to write things for phone. Wakachusha soma wana mapono ministers wao. Ina wenu kama. But in the head they are not care about you and me. Muntu wakamlanga. That's why bandopana mazi yabantu. You should understand that we are being led by criminals. And when I mean the junks, I mean it the junks. Chino chalo china nkongole. Ija nkongole ni yesi mayusi salapa. Siya HH. Siya wakambui. Ni yatu ise. And it is us who suffer. That's why I would rather go to jail by doing a right thing. Than kulipeka mjelo pa mlando besa munga wa mcheleka. Munga ngwida, munga Elias Wanga. This time tomorrow, all of us will go on the street. It is our country. Iva pola wa moto kana gulaja, kana gulila. They told us, moto kameta lai, tagulila wa opposition by UPND. To mailo tenti ya testing to mena 7-0. Nizira, kanja mushe na Kapeso, because Kapeso has told us to break our bonds, not for the PF. Wanakango kubreak ngoma bonds waname hapo polisi wose. Na peo tamanje kaina jeje band peo tawaka poko. Bana ponoka. Is a man wako fundo because we love them. We love the police, especially the junior proconda. Kuna mena watatu. Because those are cadres like us. Kanga jezeka, let's put him in the book of criminals. Kanga jezeka to make him. The part what my brother said, as long as I like my law, you guys go. Imo mzambo chekala kujele mwenda kukoti. That's what I want to tell you. Mzambo chekala kujele mwenda kukoti. Because you cannot destroy this country with impunity. It's a knife that want to participate in multi-race. Koma PF, they are already monse umu. Bakuba mamake sume angana. Bakupona ni mangana. Kambeko no wakwile ni wa UPND. Lelo mtu za koti ndani mtapiu kuli ndani kuli kampiongo. Ninde tapiu kuli third wa violent. Kuli card because Kampion was cited in the commission of inquiry that Nina makapeni. So what do I do kuli kada mzana? We have no time for that. So Niku Pempani as my youth stones across the country to more or less demonstrate. What we are demonstrating for, Steve Unachu, or children are Maria Zaka to Japa Mandapaki. Mumuse. I'll get my debt to Japa Manda because this man is an evil man. He's Zaka to Japa Mandapako by Isa Uchuru, Nakuzan. Imwene mkamba na eve, mwene mkamba tukiona mskutala makoto kanda kumwarila. Azatu Mandapako. That man is an evil man. This country today is divided because of that useless man. We don't recognize Edgar Chagwa Lungu because of that election process. That is the fact. And we want to continue doing idiot in our country. And those things can do it. Me, I'm just telling you, because man can't ever straight. What tell Mumbali when you live, you can't ever straight. You could put Uchoke Putema Mtendi. Uchoke Putema and Donkal. Because Zambian people what they are saying about you, they are very bad. And I'm telling you that Kuti ise, va NDC, va UPND, na masipo sita organization wonse kama situkufuna. Yenda ukaribimba kuna wana wako. Because uzaka vutsa wana wako, uzaka vutsa wazikuru wako. Because ise, nizi walozwa iwe 28 you want to be there, vaisa uchuru. That is the fact. 28 you want to be there. Na vaiti galumu want to be there. Muni kasama nini? Na ile sizankalako bozi nikutani konse huko. Sasa kama kuti iwe panga vanzelu kuti mazambianzi kamvelebwe. Saving Edgar Chagwa Lungu ukampase 100 years. Edgar Lungu alipe vision. Nothing can do to this country. Muni kasama nini? Zambia ikamba kuti wa Edgar Lungu mapase 100 years. Nothing can tell us. Nothing, he cannot develop this country. The man has orders. Even wake ala mutima kuti akaende echilema na kambwili ndio anakonze nuziko bakazi bapamutima paka ebida Tanzania bakimwe bakawalala mumupatikiza muntu ali na usuku na musuwa tubane leka tumpasa akaindi kumupatikiza. That's why we are saying tomorrow we are demonstrating to show you. We want to test your vehicles. Jama moto kama mnagura na mwa media mkazifunza mnakula moto kangati. Because almost 36 napenda wanapo kubaba. Because wali wakawala. Mwenda mafunza mnakula vingati. Mungatabula 26 mnada bwanji binaso. Because wakawala na muona ba. So jama moto wanakulira ise. Zaise wenzesa. The people of Malawi stood up together. Even us in Zambia, we can demonstrate in that way. Yes. The government, masoja mene muwani masoja watu. Na wakapokola mene watu, masesa na ni watu. Wazafu ni watu. National Service na ni watu, mapurulu watu. But we are here to fight for better country. So now ngamariro bakanganja because wa etika lungu pali gazi wewe sibapema. Wanajala kutipaya, wanapa Royce Banda, wanapa mapenzi, wanapa Kaiza, wanapaya opeti, wanajera magazi, mairo, chayani magazi, nga mupula mkashite na ine pamozi, but nikuuzani kutimwe mazambia nzumza sala, please tengani chalo, mkipake umanja, ya kaindi chilema, na kambi. Isewena ngu bajele wo menyewa, tina menyewapo, kanga anati menyapo, anaita tocha na kumatako na matiagasi, ife tinapa kudala, tufurajepo kwenda kutishikila, so mairo tilinayi mwetaiti, wamine mutinesa, CPF chapeka, naise wa UPND tuwatikata participate, so iwe kapokola IG na wanzako, mfuta mkazitilesa, kusapota mtamina tipela, mtamina tipaya, mtamina kwanza kupasa sima, ungani wotula, tukuzani kutitime ya sila kudala. And I want to emphasize what I told you about Kapeso. Supporting Edgar Lungu, whatever you are doing, you have already wasted your time. UPN and NGC, we are very far now. We don't care if you want Mukana to marry one. The party today is more popular because of the strategy we've been using. Why are today we are more popular? Because we know how to touch. We know how to fix. So we'll fix you in the corner. But kuzani kuti, imwa mshindano na timu yanu wa mchokemo, takuza Antoni. Hapa wenu kuzani, mtaka mbawambiri pano, ni ruvyani, chokani poni. Na kuzante mchokepo, tuka ikatumile pamanda pani. Zambia, inenasiri za ndiye mawanga, mina wasikoni kwa mbili.
Zambia, at this particular moment, I will allow the members of the press, if there's anyone that has one question, so that the panel in front can clarify. So it's just a matter of raising up your hands. The media house you represent and your name.
That's the contribution here.
And then only the press. Any clarification or any questions? It's like all of the press here. Okay.
It is straightforward.
Fantastic, I will now allow once again Makwaya. But national anthem, so we close the press briefing. But before we do that, we'll end with a prayer. Can anyone, big man, you can volunteer for a prayer?
Zambia natupepe mwelesa tuwa mitotela pakusomkana kwesu kabiri mpashua mshiro tuwa mitotela nero tuwala mwele maanda yesu tata mwala bakupala natubika fyose maboko yenu kufayo kwesu na mwisha mairo ilio imisepera shireya mukulanga imitima yabo lesa mwala bana ifwe na balabele bakapokola bonse abashirika n'entunguru shishonse shiri mu buteko beshi byokutuza tatule ifwe tuleya kulia kulanga ifishuwene ububulwi bwenu mwelesa twabika fyonse maboko ya kwalesa mwana wa Yesu tu ifo Yesu amen.
Choir, national anthem choir, we close with the national anthem.